Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet Inc. 4729 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Deskjet Inc. Advantage 4729 driver or printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name. Open the first link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name HP Deskjet Inc. Advantage 4729 printer. Okay, here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Go to the Windows and select Windows 10 32-bit. If Windows 10 32-bit, if Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit, and after that click on the update. It's update whole page or this box. After that, scroll down and here we find many options. Go to the here driver product installation software, expand it. Here we find basics drivers, expand the basics drivers, and here we find our printer driver. Here we find 4720 drivers and it support our printer HP Deskjet Inc. 4729. Download it, click on the download, and it's redirect you to the another web page, and download is started at the top and it's take few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. After that, go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file is actually a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK. It's extract folder on our PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find unzip folder or extracted folder. Double click on it, and here we find our drivers, and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners. Type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, here we find add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here, and if you find port name .4_001 HP printer device HP printer, then select any HP port that you find. If you not find any HP port, then next option is USB. Select any USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you want. Select any USB port and click on next. Here we find hard disk. Click on hard disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Go to the desktop. Here we find one folder. Double click on that folder. In this folder we find many files. These all files has the same driver. Select any driver, any file that you want. Select any file and click on open. Click on OK. Here we find HP DG means Deskjet 4720 series. It is a series printer. In this series printer, our printer name HP Deskjet 4729 is also included. So select that and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP DG means Deskjet 4729. You can give any name that you like. Click on the next. It's installing on printer. It's take few seconds. So be patient and wait for a few seconds. After that, if you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option, and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start. Type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, in a printer list, if you find HP Deskjet 4729, that means your printer is properly working and it's work on the Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.